There are people who have got IIMK calls at 94 percentile, and there are those who have not even got at 99.4 percentile. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Placement Interview with your host Sonia Gadraj, and today we will discuss about strategies for CAT and GATE preparation. Your strategy should be unique to you according to your strengths and weaknesses, because what has worked for someone may not work for you. So these are the following tips which I would like to mention about it. Number 1. Prepare in accordance with the latest CAT or GATE pattern. Go through the past 5 years CAT papers and see what topics comes in the exam, and in that order prepare for the exam. Number 2. Don't overfeed yourself with unnecessary things. Solving 400 easy questions on time and work will do you no good, but solving 100 varied questions of varying difficulty will help you a lot. In short, stay away from the pseudo preparation. Number 3. Try to solve questions on your own, even if you are slow. In aptitude, unless and until you yourself get the questions correct, you will never get the convictions, and that you can crack the exam. If that convictions does not comes, you will never get the courage and the confidence to write the mock. Number 4. Don't compare your performance with others. Everyone have their own pace and grasping power. Some are fast but can only run short distances, whereas many are slow but can go a long way. In CAT 2021 LRDI section, very many who did well in mocks failed miserably in the actual exam. Number 5. It is not a bad thing at all if you are taking too much time to arrive at the answer. Taking too much time is way better than never being able to get to the answer. Number 6. Be consistent. People chronically worry about how to prepare and how to start. The simplest thing is to buy a book or enroll for a course and kick off your prep. Be consistent, go week by week, and things will fall in place. Number 7. Don't forget that in CAT 2021, people who could correctly solve just 6 questions in QA got 90 percentile, 4 questions in LRDI got 70 percentile, and 9 questions in VARC got 90 percentile. If you could manage 20 questions in 120 minutes, you would have crossed 90 percentile overall. Number 8. Don't let the percentile figure trouble you so much. CAT can be tragic and funny at the same time. There are people who have got IIMK calls at 94 percentile, and there are those who have not even got at 99.4 percentile. Number 9. Stay away from Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, and Facebook groups as well.
Here, Unacademy brings you a superb opportunity for all the IIT, JEE, NEET and the students from class 8 to 12. Use the referral code PLI10 to avail this amazing offer and to enroll yourself in this 45 days of Plus subscription, which includes all Plus courses, all cash courses, all test series, and all built-in features, exclusively Mentorship. By just using the code PLI10, you will also get an additional discount of 20%. Unacademy is the largest e-learning platform where you can learn from top educators now only with a subscription plan of 299 rupees. So guys, what are you waiting for? This is the most affordable deal that we came along with. The discounted offer has already started and ends at 30th of April 2022. So start your journey with this valuable platform. The offer is for students from class 8 to 12, IIT, JEE and NEET aspirants. If you have any of your friends who need this, then please do share it with them. This offer is for students from 8 to 12 standard, IIT, JEE and NEET aspirants. If any of your friends need it, then please do share it with them. And don't miss this awesome and affordable deal. All the enrollment links are in the description box below, and use our code PLI10 to get extra 20% discount. So subscribe to Unacademy now.
Now coming back to the video, last but not the least, finally real motivation comes out not from reading someone else's success story, but from getting questions correct all on your own. So that's it for today's video. I hope it was informative for you guys, and do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe for more such videos.